just north of us right now. As you check in on radar and satellite over the last few hours, even Southwest Washington seeing those showers. Well, the Oregon coast is seeing some isolated showers. Where we're seeing that rain right now is out in Seaside. It's 49 degrees. See the rain coming down, a little bit breezy out that way, as well as Portland in the Willamette Valley stays dry and calm. But if you're heading out to the coast between now and Monday night, do know there is a higher threat of sneaker waves out there. So we always want you to be prepared for that. Be extra cautious if you're heading out to the coast. Hey, up at Mount Hood Meadows right now, it is 42 degrees. I saw some skiers up there earlier this afternoon. As we do start to warm out, you'll see the snow levels rising. And so below 7,000 feet, we are expecting melting snow up there at the mountains. So we're going to start to see these bases decrease as of right now. Even with these warmer temperatures, our ski resorts still looking to stay open and not having an impact on them for right now. Hey, Solar Winery, mostly cloudy. It's 50 degrees with those calm winds out there in Dayton, Oregon. Making our way back to Portland, 49 degrees. You still could see maybe a stray raindrop or two with that storm system that's up towards Washington. So just be aware of that, but mostly cloudy throughout the evening. And then we're into the low 40s by those overnight hours. Daytime highs up and down the valley. Really warm down there in Eugene, where it's 58 degrees. But yeah, you see mostly mid 50s or low 50s is PDX. We got up to 52 today. Out in Pendleton, their high of 57 was nice and warm. So notice this ridging here. This is the big storyline. It's going to strengthen and it's going to remain anchored over the west coast, thus bringing the sunshine, bringing these consecutive dry days. We're looking at 6 to 8 days where we will not see any measurable rain. And then we're also seeing that there's no real mixing with our air because of this stable atmosphere. So the air stagnation advisory, it has been extended. It was set to expire this morning for the Willamette Valley, including Portland and Vancouver. But now it is actually going to be in effect until 4 a.m. Friday morning. And then down there in Central Oregon, we're still looking at that air quality advisory that is in place until 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. Notice there are pockets here where we're in the moderate category up there in Southwest Washington and out in the central Willamette Valley. We'll keep an eye on the air quality as we continue into this week, but maybe some light rain tonight and into our overnight hours. The coast could see a few showers, but by Monday at 2 p.m. expecting some clear skies. So you'll see some sun breaks out there for your Monday and Tuesday as we start our drying trend. For the coast tomorrow, mid to upper 50s for a high, calm winds, patchy fog late in the day, late in the evening hours, and then a chance of showers for the morning hours, maybe a drizzle here in the Willamette Valley. Daytime highs in the mid 50s as we time out your Monday for Portland, expecting partly cloudy conditions for much of your morning hours, getting back into the mid 50s for that daytime high. We'll keep it in the mid 50s for much of the work week. Notice Wednesday, though, we could see some morning patchy fog here in Portland. And then Thursday looks to be our warmest day, as those overnight lows as well are warmer than normal. Lisa looking to hover right around 40 degrees for much of this upcoming work week.
Definitely going to save on the heating bill for sure. Thanks a lot, Jamie.